Let's expose some common myths about AI agents. You might have heard that they're just fancy chatbots, but let's dive deeper. AI agents are glorified chatbots. In fact, AI agents are much more than that. They can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple to complex. They can understand and respond to complex natural language queries, and even solve problems creatively. AI agents are rigid and limited in their usefulness. But in fact, AI agents are incredibly flexible and adaptable. However, you can set topics and actions to limit their ability. They can learn and evolve over time, making them incredibly powerful assistant. AI agents are always fully autonomous. In truth, while AI agents can perform tasks autonomously, they often work in collaboration with humans. This human-AI partnership is key to unlocking the full potential of AI. AI agents are powerful tools that can revolutionize the way we work and live. Want to discover more about how AI agents can transform your business? Contact PlumLogix today to explore our technology-driven AI solutions with our certified AI specialist and AI associate.